What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can reset the password of our HSBC Bank online banking account. So the first step is, before moving forward, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial, and let's move forward now, shall we? Search for HSBC Bank Register and then click on the first link over here. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this page. Over here, click on where it says log on, and it's going to take you to HSBC Bank's login page. Over here, enter your username and click on continue. After you do that, at the bottom, there's going to be forgot your password button. So just click on it. And once you do that, you want to choose the type of information you want to provide, and then enter the information according to that. Enter your date of birth over here as well, and then click on continue. It's going to take you to the password reset page after it verifies if this account belongs to you or not. And once you're in the reset page, enter a new password and you're done. So hope you understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.